How to use Temu affiliate program. So if you want to go ahead and use Temu's very own affiliate program, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your browser. Once you're in your browser, just write Temu affiliate program and click on the first link that you get. Now, once we are over here, first of all, make sure that the region you have is correct. And once you're over here, simply go ahead and sign up with their processes. Now, once you've signed up with the affiliate program, you're going to get separate referral links and you can go on different products and start sending their links out to maybe your website, which could be good for drop shipping, or to your friends who are planning on buying something from Temu. So what's going to happen is once they buy things using your code is going to have a specific key in it, okay? And that key will let Temu know that you are the one that provided the link and you're going to get a proper benefit out of it. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.